Okay, we are going to start our Micros Fidelio demo program. So for this, we have this type of icon on the desktop. It's called Fidelio Front Office. So we have to double click it. Once you double click, you'll find a user ID and password screen. In the user ID segment, you have to enter supervisor, 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 and the password is super, SUPER, super. Now you have to log in it. Once you log in, you'll find this type of a screen. This is known as Micros Fidelio welcome screen. This is a demo program. It's a dummy, and it's having a limited features of a Fidelio. Particular, it's a kind of GUI, graphical user interface Fidelio, which is now named as Opera. So here are the further icons. Like this is the exit icon, this is for the reservations, this is for the front desk, this is for the cashiering, this icon is for room management, this icon for miscellaneous, this one is for setup. Now we have to start with the reservation module. This is the reservation module. To access this module, you have to click it. Now once you click the reservation module, you'll find further sub menu of the reservations over here, like new reservations, update reservations. While clicking on these icons, the new reservations, the short key is Control N, as you can see. So we have to practice on these short keys also. Control N is for the new reservation. Then for the update reservation, Control U. Update reservations means the amendment process. And then there is a group, which is meant for the group reservation, for which we use Control G short key. Then we have waitlisting, then we have profiles, then we have this events. This one is for leisure activities. Now let's suppose we have to create any reservations. For that we have to click on the reservations, and then we have to click on the new reservations. Once you click the new reservations, you find this screen called new reservation screen. Here you have to click on this new icon. Now you will get this screen. You have to slightly adjust the screens as per the layout, as per the resolution of the screen. Now from here, you need not to enter many more details. You have to simply first of all check the date of arrival of the guest, on which date he is taking the reservations. So for that, in this Micros Fidelio dummy program, you will find that there is only one date which is reflecting on daily basis, which is the biggest drawback of this system. So we have to make our reservations on this particular date, 9/9/2005. So let's suppose any guest is looking for a reservation for 2 nights, then we have not supposed to change the date of arrival. Yes, we can change the nights. So let's suppose he is staying for 2 nights. We'll enter here 2, and then we have to press the key tab, this tab key. Once you press the tab key, the date will automatically change to the 11/9/2005. Now we have to enter the number of adults and children. So there is a 1 adult and 0 children. Number of rooms required is 1. Once you click on the arrow icons of the rate code, you will find a rate query screen. Here is the rate query screen. In this rate query screen, you can see the type of rooms over here: STW, SKN, BTW, BKN, DTW, DKN, TTW, TKN, TSU, SUI. Now these are the room types, and if you want to know the which type of rooms is designated for, which type of code is designated for which type of room, you have to click these codes, and you can see STW stand for standard twin, and total number of room is 20. Then if you can click on BKN also, you can see BKN stand for business king, and it's meant for 18 number of total rooms. So in this way you can search which all categories of rooms are available in the hotel. Then there are the rack. Rack means the rates availability for the rooms. So we have to select rack rates, which is given here: 90, 90, 100, 100, 160, 160. These are in euros currency. And whenever any guest who arrive in a hotel as a walk-in, as a FIT, FFIT, then we have to provide this rack rate. So this 90, 90, 90, 100, these are the rack rates. So let's suppose our Tower King having 5 vacant room. So we can choose this Tower King rack rate over here 130, and we have to select it. Once you select, the type of room is Tower King is being selected for the reservation on this particular date. Okay, now you can adjust the size of this screen once again, and scroll down. You'll find further options like block is the options which is meant only for the final allotment of the rooms. So we are not going to supposed to block or rooms or select the room numbers. Yes, we have to mention the check-in time, but the expected check-in time only we can make at the time of arrival. Let's suppose it's 12 noon. Okay, 1200 hours. Reservation time is following by types of reservation: 6 p.m. guaranteed credit card, guaranteed company, and almost for the walk-ins we select 6 p.m. guarantees, 6 p.m. guarantee reservation. Then market is by default rack. Source will be the individual when they are coming for the reservations. Booked by the FOA, the front office assistant. And the by means the mode of reservations. So the mode of reservation is front office. Payment by default we'll select the cash, and whenever we are selecting the cash we have to enter on no post segment, because whoever is paying the cash, we are not supposed to give any kind of credit. So we have to click on no post also, so that whenever we are entering into the guest folio, it reflects by default that you have to take amount immediately instead of posting, right? And in this way you can make the reservations. You can also select the package if you want any kind of breakfast included, so you can include the breakfast also. And okay, and any kind of special arrangements are there, so you can select newspaper should be there. Okay, and in comment section, if you need any kind of airport pickup or drop, you can enter airport pickup, and in this way the reservation is done. And just click on the OK button, and you'll find the confirmation number. Here the guest name is missing. Yes, the guest name is missing, so you have to enter any guest, the name of the guest who is making reservation. Start by my name only, V Srivastav. Okay, and now we can escape or okay. I am going to escape. There's the escape key, and here reservation has been saved. You have to press on yes, and you will got the reservation confirmation. It's okay, 419. Now to ensure whether the reservation is done or not, you can go through the reservations and you have to click on the update reservation. Now here you can check with the confirmation number 419, enter. Now V Srivastav is reflecting. Here you have to generate the confirmation letter. So for that you have to choose the option, and from the options you have to click on the confirmation, and from the confirmation you have to choose the guest to whom we are sending the confirmation. And if you want to view, you can view. If you want to print, you can print. So I am going to print it. Print. They are asking the destination, so I choose the desktop by the name of confirmation letter. So the conf letter is my file name. It's almost saved on the desktop. Now you can check the desktop. See the confirmation letter, and here is how the confirmation letter is generated from the Fidelio, and our reservation is done. Thank you.